Take us to the Blizzy.
Take us to the Blizzy.
Take us to the Blizzy.
Woo! I know.
Good out now.
Woo, guys, look at that. What do you think about this, Landon? Look at the snow on top of the car. It's corn. I see corn over there. Woo! What's up, Blizzy gang? I'm back with another snowstorm chase with Landon. Hi. Yeah, so we're about to go on a Blizzy chase. Look outside. Got the snow. Look. I got snow. The funny thing is, summer is every day for me. I'm wearing shorts. I'm not
My
cold.
mom wanted me to wear a jacket, and I'm like, no, I'm wearing a sweatshirt.
Alright. When we get in, we're gonna start our vlogs. Landon's got a giant stick that he's gonna use.
Where?
I thought you had a stick.
Oh, yeah.
Your phone stick, yeah. You got like a big phone stick. Yeah, we're gonna go on a Blizzy chase, so we'll update you guys when we go in the car. Take us to the Blizzy. You guys, we just got in the car. My dad's about to come out.
Take us to the Blizzy.
Take us to the Blizzy.
Take us to the Blizzy.
Alright guys, we're about to get on the road. Let's go. Let me show y'all what's happening. Mostly that. That's happening. Like the last 5. We're gonna get some good footage today, January 16th.
It's cold in here.
Look at the snow. I don't know. Guys, look at all the snow coming
All of a
in.
sudden, I started getting cold, and I knew it was starting. I knew it was from morning because my room started to light up.
Yep.
And I started to get cold.
Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Look at all that slush on the ground and that dirty snow. Look. Look at that dirty snow.
Dirty snow.
Woo! Landon's got a phone stick that he's might hang out the window. Look at that.
Be careful too.
Woo! Let's go.
Whoa. What's this? Come on.
What are you doing, Dad?
What is?
Oh, we can't even see the line in the road. Woo! We're about to get into some serious stuff. Ew. Look at all of that. That looks like crap.
What?
Disgusting.
Dirty snow.
I know.
Pretty good out now.
Woo, guys, look at that. Oh, look at all that. Oh, guys, look. There's snow on my arm. Snow in here. We're already at the Blizzy.
Let's go.
We should find a
Should we go
snow.
down Chapel Street?
I guess. Guys, look at that. The storm just started happening. We saw it. We knew we were about to get to
Or we can go down Betty Spring and then just wrap back around.
No, let's go in Chapel.
Go Chapel, Whitechapel.
Because we can go past Wyatt and Brandon's house. Guys, what do you think about this, Landon?
What are you guys gonna do after this?
Woo!
Road.
That's
Go outside and play in the snow.
Maybe he didn't bring the snow pants though. And I'm wearing
well, you look right
shorts.
down-
Oh my god, guys. Dad, what do you think about that?
He used to
Crazy.
work with.
No, what do you think about the snow?
I think it's crazy.
Alright guys, I'm gonna pause it while we do the Landon's intro. Look what's happening right now. Wow. Wait, hold up. I'll pull my window down for you. I can move. Yeah. Landon's got a big phone stick. He's gonna use that at some point when we.
What's the
Maybe,
degrees
yeah.
out?
It's like
23?
23 degrees out temp. Yeah.
I think it was.
We found a dead end.
I think that was there.
I think. We don't even got Blizzy juice, and we already got like a giant snowstorm.
We got no Blizzy juice. Every other time we had Blizzy juice, we didn't have a Blizzy.
Yeah, but we did. We did have a tiny Blizzy that one time. It wasn't really a Blizzy. Look at all the broken like tree branches. Guys, that snow is actually like a blizzard right now. Look, I can do this. Wait. I can't get anything on. What road? Oh, the road down there? I don't know what that is. Look at the snow on top of the car. Wow. That's crazy.
Alright, let's go.
Let's keep going.
Take us to the Blizzy.
You still recording, Landon?
Get out of the way.
Hey, get your shoe off my seat. Get it.
When? But I got a shoe. I'll rate this storm 8.5.
I say 8. What do you say, Landon?
Probably 7.
Yeah, it's not as good as a Blizzy that we thought. Look at all the snow on that car. Just wanted to point that out. Yeah.
Oh, the boat.
The boat is like.
Let's dig out the boat. Oh, I'm slipping.
He is slipping, guys.
Slipping.
Look at that boat. Wow. Snow falling.
Slipping and sliding.
There's another truck down there, y'all. You're not even in a truck. Look at that. Woo! This is our first Blizzy chase in 2024. Yeah, we got one. Look at that.
We got us a nice Blizzy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Wow. Look, there's corn. It's corn. A big one. Wait, I gotta sing that.
That's not bad corn. That's good corn.
It's corn. I see corn over there. It's going the wrong way.
Snow blowers out here.
Yeah, we got people want a snowball. Woo!
Hey,
Woo! This is beautiful, y'all. Hold up, I want to do the peace sign in front of my
stepping all
camera.
over those papers.
I know.
You gotta bring those in.
Hi.
Break it in.
Woo! Oh, I'm getting hit in the face!
Get in.
I got hit in the face. Dad, I got slashed in the face by so many swords. Look, that snow is dirty.
Dirty snow. It's down Ruby Road. Oh, alright, it's getting slippery. We gotta go back.
Yo, we got into some.
Yeah, some dirty snow. It's slippery.
He just cut in front of us. That's dirty.
Dirty snow.
The red is the light is red. Let me show you. Ooh, that's coming in good. Oh, blanket to snow. Oh, I just found the coolest tree ever. Full with snow. Oh! People are shoveling because Look at all those driveways. The driveways are covered in snow. That driveway's full of snow. So is that one. We're back on our main road. So now I'm back
on good old Miles.
Back on good old Miles. Whoa! Ooh, that's icy. Woo! Hope you enjoyed that Blizzy chase. We're going back in our garage right now. Yeah.
See you guys in the next vlog.
And peace. And yeah, we'll see you all in the next video either on Braden's time or Blizzy chase or Life Before. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Let's do our last take us to Blizzy. Take us to the Blizzy.
Lizzie,
He's getting out.
get your stuff.
See ya. Okay, good. I got a good thumbnail. Oh my god! So much snow! Oh my god. There's so much snow.
No, over there.
Where? Oh yeah, right there.
Oh, wow. You guys see it?
Yeah, I see it. Here.